You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciation in English, stay tuned. So, somebody's calling you on the phone. You can pick it up, but you don't really have time to have a conversation now, so you want to say that you will call the person back in a minute or 5 minutes. How do you say it? Quickly, briefly, nicely. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I'll is for I will. It's the contraction short for I will. I'll call you back. How to pronounce English pronunciation. I'll call you back. I'll call you back in 5 minutes. I'll call you back. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.